Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Toyota Sienna. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, automatic temperature control, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you